Lion Walk features 60 retailers. We're anchored by tenants such as Primark, Boots, etc. I know that Actual Radio is a very popular station locally, and we wanted to see how we could convert that into advertising reach and boost engagement within the centre.
Impact Coatings was started up in 2002 with 2 employees, which rapidly grew within the first 5 years. We went with radio advertising as we heard a few logos and etc. on the radio and thought it was a great opportunity for us, and we decided that the growth of what Actual Radio was performing was where we wanted to be.
Evergreen Dentistry is a general dental practice. We cover a wide range of dental treatments, from general care to implants and orthodontic treatments. We selected Actual Radio as they are a local radio station, so we knew that our adverts weren't going to go across on a national basis and outside of our reach.
We found the process very seamless. It was great to work with the team at Actual Radio, especially Pete as well. We were dealing with the man in charge, of course, and dealing with colleagues as well, and they made it a very pleasurable, simple process to work with.
Radio advertising has done fourfold for us. I would highly recommend Actual Radio to other businesses. It's a way that we can promote outside our comfort zone and grow a business very quickly.
If I had to sum up radio advertising, I would say it was straightforward, super simple and very engaging.
I'd highly recommend radio advertising to other businesses. I think it's a fundamental to pull customers in. 3 short statements would be brilliant service, increased footfall and revenue, and increased brand and awareness.